the thing that came to my head then was actually how my college responded when I came out as trans, because they responded in a way that I did not expect them to. I was expecting them to maybe be like, right, we'll help you figure it out. We'll send you to counselor, blah, blah. Now, this literally sent someone straight down to my classroom to do like a presentation with my class so that they could all ask their questions. They could all figure it out. And if they did have any questions that like the PowerPoint didn't explain to them, they were directed to me. Shaking a little bit, actually, because that isn't something that I would have expected. I was expecting to be like shunned like I had in most other areas when I tried to like be myself. It's one of the reasons I went to college, to be fair, because I feel like in lower, like in school environment, they're not as supportive they should be to people that are going through those things, that are maybe questioning their gender or questioning their sexuality. They're not as supportive as they should be on that. So that's one of the reasons I went to college anyway, because I was like, you know, when you go to college, you expect to meet people that struggle in the same ways that you struggle. It's the whole reason that most people go to college, because they do not fit in with that typical like school environment or the groups and things that you have when you're in school, because in college you mix with a lot of different people. So having that probably was one of the biggest things, because it allowed me to not be as scared as I was about coming out and being myself. And college was probably one of the safest places I felt as Nick, even like afterwards, because everyone that I had around me, like all my teachers, were fully accepting of it. So yeah, college, to be fair, because as soon as you tend to leave college, everything went a bit haywire when I left college, and I'd had my bad experiences surrounding like the college area. So like McDonald's is there with college up there, and then you travel like 100 yards, and that's where I get my crap off some like 13-year-olds. So it's magic. Yeah, those four walls, to be fair, was probably one of the places, and the people that I had there, like the counsellor. I'm not going to mention any names because I can't, to be fair, because it's like thingy, but they know who they are if they ever see this, because yeah, they were top-notch support. Like otherwise, yeah, I probably wouldn't be here if it wasn't for the support that I got off them when I first came on at all. That was harder for me to talk about than I thought. I'm all hot and sweaty.